Hello, my name is Emmett.
Dallas.
Cooper.
Layla.
And today is Friday, March 20th, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, Friday, March 20th is the first day of spring. What a great intro to our spring break, which is March 23rd through March 27th. We'll see you back at school on Monday, March 30th. Our family STEM night is Wednesday, April 1st from 5:30 to 7 p.m. We can't wait to see you there for all the fun. Pre-K enrollment night is Thursday, April 2nd at the Central Education Center from 5 to 7 p.m.
Pre-K finished their PLTW unit on healthy habits. They made posters showing everything they learned about being healthy.
Kindergarten has been learning all about different types of weather. One day they talked about clouds. Have you ever seen the shape in the clouds? They read it looks like spilt milk and then created their own clouds. What do you think they look like?
First grade learned about how some animals have special designs on their feathers or fur that make it look like they have big or extra eyes. These are called false eyes. They design and build a mask for a scarecrow to keep birds away that used false eyes.
Second grade continued their unit on dinosaurs. They created fossils and are able to tell you about the 4 different types. They also finished research on their chosen dinosaur. Their projects are on display in the second grade hallway. Go check out their information, text models, and pictures they have created. Woo! Second grade was busy this week.
Third graders are learning about the weather and the tools that scientists use to measure it. They are tracking the 3 weather factors each day, and this is the perfect month to do it. March is a crazy time for Indiana. One day it's 70 degrees, and then the next day it's 8 degrees. We were finally able to take the wind socks outside, but there wasn't any wind. We can try again tomorrow.
Fourth graders will build and test windmills to determine which design works best. This fun STEM activity will help them think like engineers as they create, test, and improve their designs.
In library last week, we celebrated Read Across America Week. Friday was Dress Up as a Book Character Day. We had so many people celebrate with us.
In music, third graders have started to build instruments. After learning about sound, they made a design, and then they put their instruments together. All instruments should work and make at least 2 different notes or sounds. Stay tuned to see the rest. All the creations after spring break.
In STEM this week, we are working with VEX 123s. We are learning to code them to run a program. This is a simple machine, and students from pre-K to 4th grade are learning basic programming skills to make it work. We learned how to tell others about the rules and goals for the project or experiment.
The Battle of the Books competition was yesterday, Thursday, March 19th. It was the Red Pandas versus the Premium Pickles. Both teams did such a great job. Now here is a special message from Miss Yates.
Battle of the Books was yesterday, and I just want to say congratulations to the Premium Pickles. They are the winner of our competition. I also want to say congratulations to all of our other team members. It was a hard competition, and it was very close. Thank you for joining us.
After school activities, last weekend the robotics team participated in the Indiana State Championship. Although they worked really hard, the season ended there. They already have some wonderful ideas for the next year. They had their end of the year robotics awards with Miss Claiborne's help. They made candy salad. It was a great year, and Mrs. Gooden says next year will be even better.
From the PTO, all the students and staff are getting their own spring break rubber ducky to take on their adventures over the next week. Whether you're on the beach, hiking trails in the mountains, playing in your backyard, sleeping in, or relaxing with your family, take a picture with your duck and email it to the Brooklyn PTO. We can't wait to see all the adventures you have over break.
Here is a message from the office about the winners of the Gotcha ticket.
The first prize is Art Kit Magic Puffy. Ava English from Miss Hanson.
Woohoo! Congratulations!
This is the drawing for the Play-Doh grill. Rachel.
Rachel Burton.
Mrs. Claypool.
Awesome! Congratulations, Rachel.
Okay, we're drawing for number 3, the Ocean Light Up Terrarium Kit. Okay, DeWitt Roberts with Miss Farron.
This is the raffle for number 4 pizza blanket. Varela star in Mrs. Neff's class.
Congratulations!
We're drawing for for the prize number 5, the rocket launcher. Charlie L. Elbridge from Miss Wida.
What?
This is Amy for the stunt car.
Okay, go ahead and give her a bunch of spins. Good job. Okay, close your eyes. Reach in there and grab one. Okay. It's Lucas Rose from Miss Dragonette.
Woo! Joke of the week. What does the cloud wear under his coat?
What does the cloud wear under his coat?
Thunderwear.
Thank you for watching what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you after break. Have a great break.
Bye.